Welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines essay on Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah is our national hero. He was born on December 25, 1876 in Karachi. He studied law in London. He wanted the Muslims to have their homeland. For this he joined Indian National Congress. Later, he became the leader of Muslim League. He fought for the rights of Muslims. He fought for Muslims and got Pakistan on August 14, 1947. He is given the title of Quaid Azam, means a great leader. He died on September 11, 1948. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.